Hey there, welcome. In this video, we will walk you through creating marketing streams in TextPeak. You will learn how to start a stream creation wizard, complete the creation steps, and manage the existing marketing streams. Streams API in TextPeak provides several SMS route types. Use marketing routes to send promotional messages, product update announcements, and other marketing texts to your customers. You can refer to a guide about route types before starting with the API. If you pursue a marketing goal, get started. Go to Streams API in the main menu, click Create Streams API, and choose Marketing. The platform will open a creation wizard for you. In the first step, add stream details. Enter a stream name and description. Then, add one or more IP addresses from which you will make API calls. Optionally, create and apply tags so you can later quickly find the stream. In the default sender field, you can choose Customize to set a sender ID in each request, select a specific sender ID from the list for all requests, or add a new one and use it. When finished, click Save and Next to go to the next step. The second action is to review the stream summary. You can find the request's preview on the right. If needed, copy the endpoint or body of the send or status request right away. You can stop the process now and finish later because the system saves the draft automatically. Otherwise, after you click Create Stream, a pop-up window shows your authorization token. Copy it and then mark it done. Your stream is added to the list, and you can start running your API requests. You can manage your streams on the Streams API page. In the action column, several controls are available. If you forgot to copy the authorization token, you can do it here, or generate a new one. Test the stream, edit it, disable, or delete it. Thank you for watching. You can also learn how to create a transactional stream.